Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to enable, disable and customize the screensaver on the Nothing Phone 2a. So first of all, go to your settings. Here they are. Now go to your display section. Scroll down to your screensaver tab. It's at the very bottom. Tap on it. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch on. Now you've got a few presets. So for example, clock, colors, photos, right? You can choose one of those, for example, clock, and tap on preview to see how will it look. All right. If you want to use your own photos, tap customize here and choose them from your gallery or from your screenshots. You can also choose when to activate the screensaver. So simply press when to start option. So you can activate it while charging, while docked and charging, right? And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.